Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you how to program the travel on your LiftMaster Security+ 2.0 garage door opener. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. First, check the balance of the garage door. Close the door using a remote control or the door control. Disengage any door locks. If the 841 LM automatic garage door lock is installed, slide the manual release to the unlocked position. Disconnect the garage door from the opener by pulling down on the emergency release handle until a click is heard. Slowly raise and lower the door by hand, checking to see if you feel any resistance or obstructions. Raise the door halfway and let go. If the door is balanced, it will stay in place. Be sure to close the door when finished with these checks. Re-engage the garage door by pulling down on the emergency release handle until you hear a click. The door will re-engage once it begins to move when you run the opener. If your door has a problem with binding or sticking while opening or closing, or does not open or close fully, you may need to have your door serviced. After any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. You will need a ladder to access the programming buttons. Lift the cover to locate the buttons for programming travel. Openers manufactured starting in 2022 have a Step Saver Setup label. If your opener has this label, follow these steps. Otherwise, watch the section of the video for openers that do not have this label. There are 3 buttons you'll use: the up button, the down button, and the adjustment button. Press and hold the adjustment button until the up button begins to flash. The lights on the safety reversal sensors will turn off because they will be temporarily disconnected during programming. Now, press and hold the up button until the door is in the desired up or open position. To prevent damage to vehicles, be sure the fully open door provides adequate clearance. Once the door is in the fully open position, press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice, and the down button will start flashing. Now, press and hold the down button until the door is in the desired down or closed position. Once the door reaches the correct closed position, press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice. Programming travel is now complete. The safety reversal sensors will reconnect, and their lights will turn back on. The opener will beep and the lights will flash when it enters a force sensing operation. The door will automatically open and close. Then, the opener will beep 3 times, letting you know the force setting is complete. If the garage door opener lights flash 5 times, then programming has timed out and travel limits have not been set. You'll need to restart the process again. For products that do not have the Step Saver Setup label, follow these steps. First, press and hold the adjustment button until the up button begins to flash. Now, press and hold the up button until the door is in the desired up or open position. To prevent damage to vehicles, be sure the fully open door provides adequate clearance. Once the door is in the correct open position, press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice, and the down button will start flashing. Now, press and hold the down button until the door is in the desired down or closed position. Once the door reaches the correct closed position, press and release the adjustment button. The garage door opener lights will flash twice, and the up button will begin to flash. Now, press and release the up button. When the door travels to the open position, the down button will begin to flash. Press and release the down button. The door will travel to the closed position. Programming the travel for your garage opener is now complete. Anytime you make any adjustments, the safety reversal system must be tested. To test the safety reversal system, open the garage door. With the door fully open, place a 1 1/2 inch board or a 2x4 laid flat on the floor, centered under the garage door. Press the remote control or wall-mounted door control to close the door. The door should stop and reverse upon contact with the 2x4. The door returns to the fully open position. The opener beeps and lights flash slowly 5 times. If the door reverses, remove the board. The test is complete. If the door does not reverse after hitting the 2x4, then redo the travel and force settings, ensuring that the door is closed further onto the garage floor. After adjusting the travel, you'll need to perform the safety reversal test again. If the garage door opener continues to fail the safety reversal test, contact a trained door systems technician. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com.